a welcome back to another video. Welcome to Offroad Outlaws. These are all my cars, and I know I haven't made a YouTube video in like a long time, but I just started to want to make a YouTube video about this, and I have sitting here with me my little brother Nolan.
Hi.
And he's just gonna be sitting here with me watching me play the game. Here's all my cars.
I have that one more.
Okay.
Kind of like that one too.
Her funny story about this. I was bored one day, and well, I just decided to make a wheelie car, and this is actually really good.
Well, I want to know why it has big wheels.
Okay. And so today we're just going to be trying out some of my wheelie four-wheelers, my wheelie cars, my crawlers right here. And then we're just going to see what's best and what I like. So right now we're just going to try
Jeep.
Yeah, we're going to take the Jeep, but we're also going to take this car too right there. I don't know what this is called, but I watched another YouTube video how to make this.
Okay, can I play the game with you?
No.
I want to play it.
Don't start crying.
I want to play it.
Sorry about that, guys. My little brother's being a brat.
No, you are.
Okay, right now, this is one of my good cars. This is just like an everything car. Like, this is a good money car, as you can see. This is one of my best. The Jeep right over there is the best mudding car I have. And, well, right now I'm just going to go wash this off. And I'm playing on mobile right now. And so if you guys want to get this game, you can. It's free. See, this is how nice it is. Oh, wrong thing. Okay, that's how nice it is. And then I'll show you it going through the mud, and then, but like I said earlier, my Jeep is the best mud thingy. This is like my second best, and the Offroad Outlaws is not going to be the only thing I play or the only thing I do. I will do some like real videos, but this is just like a starting like video of Offroad Outlaws and everything like that. Here's my best vehicle, or my best mud truck. Oh, you guys want to see something funny? This is like my favorite thing about this. It is like really good wheelies. Well, so
Why are you talking?
heading over to the mud truck thingy right now.
It's not that fast.
Okay, so let's repair it real quick. Let's put it in 4-wheel drive right here. Surprisingly, this thing is better in high gear than it is low gear. Like, it just goes straight through the mud. And watch when I put it in, what is it called? Rear-wheel drive. It just does a wheelie through the mud. This thing is so good. Well, now we're gonna exit back and we're gonna go check out some of the crawlers. And maybe we're gonna bring a 4-wheeler or something like that, maybe. Now, I don't have any dirt bikes. I did have a dirt bike, but I sold it because, well, yeah, it's just because I wanted to. Okay, so we're just gonna load this one on it, the trailer. Okay. And then we're gonna go in here. And we're gonna take my other crawler right here. Okay, now we're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. Okay. So right now I'm heading to the rock crawler thingy. The rock park, I think. Yeah, whatever it is. And we're gonna see what the crawlers do. Okay. We're gonna start with this one. This is one of my good ones. I like this one more than the other one because this one, like if you look at the front of it, there's no like guard because you see the wheels are in front of it. So like if you want to climb straight up something, it's good. But this one, my white one over here, it has like a front bumper thing, as you can see, right there. Right, yes, and I have the drone. See that? Right there? Okay. So now we're gonna test this thing out now. I made this myself. And the other one, I made it myself, but like, I intentionally didn't like that one, that crawler, but I had some spare money and stuff like that, so I bought it, and then it turned out to be pretty good. Throw this right there. Oh. Okay. Oh, I'm stuck. Well, yeah, this one's pretty good. Now we're gonna try out the other one. If I can. What the heck is going on? Well, I need to respawn, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna go swap vehicles. Okay. So now this one is like my other best one. I used to have a bunch of crawlers, but then I got into like mud trucking and like mud bogging, and yeah, I got into that stuff. And then ever since I've just made mud trucks and made some just random vehicles. And if you have this game and you're watching this, try and just like looking at my cars, seeing which one you like the most. I have all of the special cars like the El Camino and like the Mustang and the drag thing and then the other stuff. Okay, so now there's that. There's this one. And we're gonna go back. We're gonna go home and we're gonna see what other cars I have to use. And we're probably gonna use one of the four-wheelers or use my El Camino. My El Camino is like the best. It's my fastest car. We're gonna use this right here. Okay, and then we're gonna use this. We're gonna go into my storage real quick and we're gonna see what cars I have in here. This is just like a fun truck I made today. I guess I'll take this out. In another video, I'll go into multiplayer, play online with some other people. Yeah. Okay. So let's load that on the trailer. Then let's go take this right here. Play. And it's thundering really hard outside right now. So yeah, and it's raining pretty hard right now. Okay. So this is just like some monster truck Chevy little thingy I made. It's pretty nice actually. But what I actually wanted to show you the four-wheeler. It's just so good. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go swap vehicles. this is one of my best four-wheeler. Like, can do wheelies. It's pretty good through the mud. I don't know if you saw it, but the blue one, my blue four-wheeler, it's not that good. Okay, so now let's go to low gear. Just pause right through it. Now it's not as fast as the Jeep because, well, first of all, it's not a truck and it's a four-wheeler and doesn't have that much like torque and horsepower and stuff like that. But this is actually a pretty good four-wheeler for what you get. And comment down below and tell me if you if you like any of the cars, and see just if you want me to do any reviews, any like car builds, and I will be posting a lot more, but school's about to start and everything like that. So thank you for watching this video, and peace out.